Hello guys, it is me, Prince K here, and today I'll be showing you how to jailbreak your PlayStation 4 on version 5.05. Before we start, you need an Android device and the PS4 connected to the same internet, else it will not work. So let's get started. To jailbreak the PlayStation 4, you'll need the new exploit application. There will be a link in the description to download it. But before you'll be able to install it, you'll need to go over to your settings, lock screen and security, and you want to make sure unknown sources has been checked so you can download it from the internet. After you successfully installed it, you can now launch it. And as you can see here at the top, it says connect PS4 to this URL. Basically, what we have to do, we're going to have to type this URL up onto our PS4's browser. So as you can see here guys, I've connected my phone to the PS4 so you can see what's going on my phone as well as on the PS4. So right now, as you can see here, I've put on the URL onto my PS4 browser. So I'm going to go ahead and search. And as you can see here, it's sending the payload. And the payload has been sent. As you can see here, it says welcome to the PS4 version 1.8. So that means we have successfully jailbroken the PS4. If I was to exit out of this, and as you can see here, I have a few homebrews here. If I was to go into settings, here I have debug settings, and we also got package installer, and I can install homebrew applications and other package files. Guys, if this was helpful, like, comment and subscribe. Peace. Hello guys, it is me, Prince K here, and today I'll be showing you how to jailbreak your PlayStation 4 version 4.55 using an Android device.